Hi, I'm Nathan from Whanganui, down country. I've just completed my mobile phone and iPad repair course here at NZ Fix. Show you my certificate. It's a really good course. Really enjoyed it. We had a lot of fun doing the course, and yeah, I learned a lot from not knowing anything at all about mobile phones, well, the internal workings of them before I came here, but now I'm quite confident and can perform screen replacements, diagnose damage internally, and also we did some work on the software of the phone, so that was really good. We're opening a business in Whanganui, repairing phones and iPads. So yeah, we're just very thankful of the course that I've just completed. We'll be sending more technicians along in the future, and I'm more than happy with the training I've got to for them to also have. So Balwinder, the tutor, is more than thorough, does a very good job of training and has excellent knowledge of all the phones. I'm very thankful for that, and yeah, I'd just like to thank Balwinder and NZ Fix and the team here. It's a great course, and I recommend it to everyone. Thank you.